Today we are unboxing the Electric Daisy Carnival 2023 box. This is so cool! It is finally here and EDC is just a few weeks away. So enough with the chit chat, let's start opening this bad boy. So as you can see outside, it is pretty hefty, like its normal typical size. It has this really fun blue and yellow diagonal motif all around it. You can see it says Insomniac, EDC, Vegas 2023. So now we know what year it is. And ta-da! Also says EDC on the back, which is super, super cool. Super hefty. You can use this as a weapon in New York City in case you need some protection. So let's take off the sleeve. And it says, all are welcome here. The usual typical slogan. So you can see there's like this little cute rainbowy eye motif all around. I'll have to figure out why they chose this motif. I admittedly did not do my research in advance. I was just so excited to open this up. But it is really cool. It's typical cardboard. So, are you guys ready? Let's open up this bad boy officially. Okay, we're gonna do it together. It's like a book. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, things are falling. Ah! Oh my gosh, okay, very cool. Oh, wait, what is this? You guys ready? Okay, I have not seen this yet. Ready? Ah! Oh my gosh. This is so cool. It's like a pop-up book. I love this. Okay, let's do it again for fun effect. Ta-da! So cool. I love it. And a tiny little favor, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Okay, now that we've gotten to see a little bit of the inside, let's check out all the goodies. Ready? I kind of feel like I'm a school teacher about to read you a book. The cat jumped over the hill and found his way into EDC Vegas and danced all night under the electric sky. Woo! Okay, cool. What is this? Oh, so we get a little night mask. What is it called? Night sleeping mask? Sleep? Yeah, those thingies, which I guess they're trying to prep you for sleep in advance because we all know EDC weekend, nobody's gonna be sleeping. Ta-da! Ooh, it's really nice and soft. Oh, ooh, it's kind of small. My head's not even that big. Oh, but there's an adjustable strap, so that's kind of cool. Ta-da! Okay, I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the video. I look super fabulous, don't I? Okay. What? I guess I'm not wearing this for the rest of the video. Anyway, we'll put that down then. The most important part, we get our wristband. Very cool, it has a little eye motif again. It is blue and pink, I love it. Typical fabric material. What else is this? Ooh, this is cool. So it comes with a little keychain. Let's take this out. Ooh, it's got some heft as usual. But look how cute this is. I love it. So it obviously says Insomniac. It has like a little kind of fire chimney thing going on. I don't know what this is in the back, but it kind of reminds me of those Greek like pottery back in the good old days. Like I knew what it was like in Greece in the good old days. Ooh, they have little like patches, fabric patches that I can assume you can iron onto your clothes. There's two of them and they're both rainbowy sequin. So you get the eye again and then it says EDC Electric Daisy Carnival. These are so cute. I'm gonna have to buy a denim jacket and add that on. And then as always, you get your pack of stickers. Let's check out what these stickers are. So Nocturnal Wonderland, what else do you get? Insomniac 30 years, yes, it's the 30th year. This is really exciting. What is this? Countdown, Dream State, Day Trip. It should be more like Amazing Weekend, Beyond Wonderland, of course, Apocalypse Zombieland. Ah, yes, you get Hard Summer. What other ones do they have? BaseCon. What does this one say? Ooh. I don't know, but that's kind of cool. Escape Halloween version. You have Insomniac again. Insomniac Records. EDC with some glitter on it. You get Factory 93. Peace, love, EDC. And what is this one? Base Rush. That was a little hard to read. Oopsie. So that's pretty cool. And then let's see what else we have. So in that, I think you're right? Yeah, you're right. On your right side, you have the little pamphlet. Oh, I love this. Gives me such good memories all over again. Ah, amazing. So let's see. So they always include one of these pamphlets in every invite every year. So let's check it out. The standard, hey, welcome to EDC, what year it is, A lot of really cute pictures of people in costumes. Oh yeah, Kinetic Field. Kinetic Field is one of the main stages that has all the major headliners, and as you can see, a ton of people and a really cool stage. It's also more pictures of Kinetic Stage. Cosmic Meadow, super cool. Circuit Grounds, oh my gosh, Circuit Grounds is a lot of fun for the heavy hitting music, kind of like Mala or Rez. Neon Garden, what else is there? Base Pod, oh my gosh. Wasteland, I'm feeling so inspired by these costumes. These are amazing. Quantum Valley. So yeah, it seems like they have a lot of the same stages they've had in previous years, so that's really cool. Although I think this one's new. I've never heard of Bionic Jungle before. And then Downtown EDC, this is a lot of fun to watch people get married, and it's a finalized legal marriages, so that's really fun. Camp EDC is awesome too. It's like a major party 24/7 during the whole weekend. And then lots of pro tips as well, like don't die, stay hydrated, all that great stuff. So I cannot wait. I had so much fun unboxing these invites with you, and I really want to hear your thoughts below. What do you think of these invites, and is there a year that you like even more? But more importantly, which DJ are you most excited to hear this year? It's just a few more weeks until we all get to dance under the beautiful electric sky, and I am so excited. Until then, I just want to wish you guys peace, love, and unity. See you soon.